Hi, well, it's Christine. I'm here again with escapes.ca, and we are at Sanctuary Cap Cana in Punta Cana in the Dominican Republic, and have just checked in, and this is our room. It's a royalty villa suite. I'm going to turn the camera around and I'm going to take you for a little tour, and you will be impressed. All right, so this is the villa section, and in we go. So just to give you a bit of perspective, this unit is about 3,100 square feet. So, yep, it's massive. We've got a major living area here. Little food and beverage station. That's the minibar over there. Of course, room service is included. This is a luggage room, so you can store your bags in there. And now we're into the bedroom. Okay, so there was an actual door. We've got the bathroom here, which has a door into the massive bathroom. All very high ceilings in here. Indoor-outdoor shower, massive pool, dual vanity, shower with the rainfall shower head. Haven't checked out those toiletries though yet. Excited to do so. And toilet. And I have to show you this. So the outdoor shower, if you are so bold, you have an outdoor rainfall shower here. And that's your view. You can actually see the ocean while you shower. It's just coming on sunset. It's going to be beautiful tonight. Okay, now we're heading into, this unit has 2 full bedrooms. So this is the first closet area. Mark, this is Sanctuary Cap Cana in Punta Cana, Dominican Republic. So literally just more closet space than you could ever ask for. Perfect if you're getting married and you've got a wedding dress and all kinds of extra outfits. Again, we talked about the high ceilings, air conditioning, king size bed. And these rooms come with a with butler service. So they can unpack your bags for you, set up a candlelight dinner, you name it. Set up your dinner reservations. This obviously goes right to your own, spoiler, your own private pool. And then back out to the main room. Showed you this already. This is the main living area. We're going to go to the other bedroom. Oh, now if you have other guests staying at the resort with you, there is a guest toilet. So just toilet around the back side, you don't see that. And then again, you have another second private bathroom and bedroom area. Here we've got a desk, sitting area. There's a flat screen TV, king size bed, again, high ceilings with a fan, another massive closet area. Another big pool, whirlpool tub. Again, rainfall shower head. And then let's go out and see this pool area. No, of course, the main pool area is beautiful, which we'll check that out tomorrow. But for today, so this is in our own room. Pull that shut so the door doesn't slam. And we've got tons of seating areas here. Room service is included, so if you've got people at the resort that you know, you can hang out, you can order drinks, hang out in your bally bed, your lounger. You can see you've got your own little floaty mattress. And look at this sunset, it's just gorgeous. And you can kind of see a bit more of the resort over that way. But, uh-oh, it's starting to rain. You know what? Who cares? It's absolutely gorgeous here. And I love these. I love these chairs. Turn that around for you to see. Can you imagine just sitting in there floating with that view? Absolutely stunning. So here, yeah, this is day 2 of our luxury tour of Sanctuary Cap Cana and Punta Cana in general. And I gotta say, it's yeah, it's unbelievable. It's lovely. And if you're planning a special trip, if you're planning an anniversary, honeymoon, birthday trip, group trip, whatever, definitely give me a call. Email me, Christine@escapes.ca, and I'll be happy to hook you up. I've only been here about 20 minutes, and I am absolutely in love with this resort. On par with Sandals, I would say, but a little bit better walkability than what a lot of the Sandals have. And although we haven't spent much time at the main beach area, it looks just gorgeous. And yeah, that view, it just speaks for itself. So yeah, we have it. This is a royal villa at Sanctuary Cap Cana. And I don't know about you, but I'm thinking this should be on your list, although this rain is coming in pretty fast and fierce. But look at this, you got a rainbow right there. So how perfect is that? Even if it's a little bit of rain. Oh well. You know, this thing happens, right? But you know what? It's probably 28 degrees Celsius, and it's just feeling fabulous. I'm not sure what kind of wildlife we'll see out there, whether it's dolphins or what, but we'll keep an eye on that. And Pam, hey, thanks for tuning in. So looking forward to seeing you, and I promise you, we're just eliminating the rain right now, getting rid of that for your arrival. This is a good tropical storm. I love this. You know what? Like, don't mess around with this little like 5 drops an hour thing. Give me like a proper shower. It's all good. So there you go. Oh, and it's almost done now. But even with the rain, you know, I'm covered. So just to give you an idea, we've got a little Lapa area, covered area. And like I said, you can order room service, you can have some drinks. Even if there's a shower, you can sit here and enjoy the view, enjoy the sunset. And you're in paradise. It really doesn't get much better than this. So it's a gorgeous gorgeous resort so far. We're going to do a walk around the resort tomorrow, so tune in and check that out. I did have a look before I left, or before I arrived, and this is actually a surprisingly affordable resort considering the luxury feel to it. So if you're interested, let me know, and I'll send you some options, I'll send you some pricing. Turn that around. Yeah. So thanks for tuning in of our little room video. I'm going to try to see some more rooms tomorrow, maybe a basic room and something a little bit more upgraded. I think I just saw something in the water there. Cool. And if you have any questions about the resort, post them below or send me an email, Christine@escapes.ca, and I will be happy to answer your questions. And if there's anything you want me to check out, let me know. There was a wedding here today. We didn't get to see the setup, so hopefully there will be something over the next few days, and we can see what a romantic destination wedding looks like here. But in the meantime, thanks for tuning in, and hope you're having a great time wherever you are. And if this is something that you think you might be interested in, let me know. And if not, enjoy the video. All right, bye for now.